Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update on Bitcoin Cash. Right now we're at $349. We're up 3.56%. And guys, Bitcoin Cash is looking pretty decent right now, and there's some different key areas that I want to show you and kind of target here together with you today. So if you like these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm going to try to make it as quick as I can for you. But there's some things that I wanted to point out in the past too that we all can learn from together, and that's what I'm going to get into today. So for Bitcoin Cash here, guys, looking back at my chart here, do you see this green trend line that I have? I'm huge on trend line breaks. And what this would show you here, and I'm telling you this just for future references when you see these trend line breaks, we'll get in some other ones here for you, but when that broke down, we were looking at a 41% drop to the bottom. That's how far we ended up dropping out of this trend line break. So really pay attention to the trend lines, and the longer that the trend line is, the more historical time that's went by, the more strength that trend line is going to have. And if it does break, it could produce even farther drops or more powerful drops or breaks to the upside, depending on which way you're looking at it. And then what happened was we were looking at this red right here and this downward channel that we are working in. And what happened was we ended up forming basically a bearish pennant right here, but we broke to the upside. And remember, that's always a possibility. The best book I can tell you about for chart patterns is the Encyclopedia Chart Patterns, guys. That's what I study. It's a great one. It's about a $100 investment, but it can really help you. So what we were having was basically this like bearish pennant forming, or almost like this symmetrical triangle. And what happened was we broke out here, but we had one of those basically pullbacks or throwbacks. Okay, because a lot of times you'll break out from different patterns like this, and then you'll pull back or you'll have a retracement before you start moving again. And that's kind of what's happening right now, guys, because what we're looking at here is our 21 EMA, this moving average, crossing over this 200-day moving average, which is a golden cross right there. So, and we're also holding an uptrend. As you can see down here on the RSI, we're at 64, so we're about 6 ticks away there from being overbought. But a lot of times Bitcoin Cash can really run hard, guys, and we fell so hard and so fast here, it could be made up on the backside, and we start looking up to maybe that $380. And say you want to play something like that, you jump in and then you'd put, a stop loss down, at 325, somewhere around there, and have some risk to reward, or you could even bump it up higher and have a tighter one since the candles are getting tighter. But you really just want to give yourself a shot, and if you're wrong, then you have a stop loss there. You can put it wherever you like and you get knocked out, and that's the name of the game. But right now we have broken that downtrending channel that you can see there. See that, guys? And now this is the new trend that we're forming. We're having those nice higher lows. It's all about higher lows and higher highs. And right now this is looking pretty decent, guys. So I just wanted to bring you a quick one here. Wanted to put this on your radar. This is something that I'm looking at right now. What you'd want to see is some nice increasing volume coming in as well with this golden cross. So we'd like to see if that can get pushed up. And also remember too that if Bitcoin all of a sudden starts dumping, that can definitely affect Bitcoin Cash, and then you can start going down, and we'd start to look at this trend line here to see if we could find any type of support. So that's what I'm looking at right now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I wanted to make it quick for you. Have a wonderful night, guys. Take care.